Hi everyone, welcome to 5-minute freebie from stocksandstones.com. It's November 1st, 2019. This is a new feature I'm trying out for the new website to hopefully give you guys a bit of a technical insight into the stock market. And it's a 5-minute freebie, so what we're really doing is focusing on a chart of one specific stock. But let's get into it. Let's get into the overview first of all today. We start off with the VIX, the volatility index, and it is going down because it is a big green day on the market. Let's move to the ES quickly, which is a proxy for the S&P 500. And you can see it's a big green day. These are all day candles here. It's a nice big green one here. This is NASDAQ futures, again, nice green candle going to new highs today. They're all new highs. Maybe the biggest surprise of the day is oil. Oil's having a gigantic day. This is the CL futures. It's at 56.14 right now, and yeah, it's looking great. Finally, let's do a little something for you Forex guys. This is the Euro US dollar. It is pushing up, and it looks like it started a new trend, and it looks like it's ready to keep going. And for today's the first ever 5-minute freebie, we're going to look at a film company, and that film company is none other than Lionsgate Films. And the reason we're looking at Lionsgate Film is quite simply is this chart. I'm hoping that the rest of it will bounce in here. No, it may not. Regardless, as you can see, it's got a classic wedge pattern from early 2018. From the high of about $35, it has dropped to about $8 today. That is a huge drop. And the classic wedge pattern breaks to the upside. And right now it is, if you trust this line, which I admit is not as good as the top line, but if you trust the bottom line, it looks like it might be time to take a chance here. You've got it coming off the bottom line and starting to move up. You've noticed the volume yesterday and the volume today are pretty huge, so you might want to wait for it to drop back down again before taking a position. But I mean, it's oversold. It looks like it's ready to move up, and I'll show you the top line here. That's one thing. If you don't like taking this trade, you can wait till it breaks the top line here. It's touched once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, something like that. It looks great. It's just a great line to trade off. Technicals are great. Of course, you have to be aware of fundamentals. You check the company, do your own research, and make sure that you're not making a mistake. News and fundamentals can always break the technicals of a chart, but technicals are great short-term trading indicators, something you can use to actually make money off of the market. Yeah, so you can either take your trade down here off the bottom of the wedge. If you're unsure, you can wait till it comes up and maybe breaks out from this line, or breaks out and retests the line and then moves up. There's lots of things the market does when patterns are clear and concise. Let's see, what else can we do? I think that's about it. We're almost out of time. The analyst rating of this the last one was in September 24th by Wells Fargo. They rated it outperform, but if you trust analysts, you're probably losing money anyway. But there you go, that's that. Follow us on StockTwits, Twitter, YouTube, and of course, stocksandstones.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it valuable, and happy trading.